What's up, guys? And in this video, we're doing a video with WWEKID.
Hey.
And today we're gonna be unboxing Cesaro WrestleMania, and I wanted to show you guys the Eevee, which WWEKID loves, right?
Yeah, Eevee's my favorite Pokemon.
And then I got this book called Totally Unofficial Everything on Pokemon. Cards, games, anime, and more. Anime. And so on the cover, it has Infernape. I think it's Crocodile or something. It's Crocodile. Then Ash and Pikachu, Genesect, and Blastoise. And it has a Pokemon. I forgot. I can't see that though. Okay, so let's unbox the Cesaro. Oh, look how cool he looks. He's on the tag team with Sheamus now.
They're the tag team. They're the Raw tag team champions.
Oh, Cesaro. Yeah, and I can't believe the New Day lost.
Yeah.
So here's Cesaro, and he's gonna dab for you guys. Will he dab? Dab on him. Bye.